To grab what?
My clothes for tomorrow.
What's tomorrow? Go to the meet probably. Say what's up. So we got S551 in here washing the 5.0 in my driveway. I don't know how to act. Just gonna wash up the cars, meet up with Ish and all the group. Check out the meet.
Alright guys, I'm the new Alex SVT. I'm the new owner of the channel. I traded in my Cobra for a 5.0. This one's a lot faster. It's 800 horsepower. No more than that one. That's just a clone. It's a 2-valve clone. So right here, guys, we're washing up the new whip. That's the new project car that we're starting for the channel. I'm out of breath. It's really cold. I can't feel my hand.
Alright guys, so we're here with Lucio. Danny's right there. We're gonna head
Your car?
We're gonna head to a little meet right now. Check out the scene since we haven't been out. I gotta clean the car a little bit, but we'll update you guys when we get there. Oh my god. Dang, Ish hasn't made an appearance in the vlogs for like 6 years. What the hell?
It's because the guy closed him up.
Horrible. That's cool though.
Alright guys, like I said, we're taking over the vlog. So Alex SVT's over here, driving a little turny around. We got Ish 2-valve behind us, and then we got the GT bringing behind us as well. What? Sorry, I can't hear you, my car's too loud.
GTR, a Supra.
Where should we park? At the end or what? Danny should race him or what? Danny, what do you think? Is that your dream car? Your dream JDM car? What is your dream JDM car? Like I say mine's a Supra. But that's what everyone's though.
Mine's an R34 like everybody else, but if I had to get one that's in my budget right now, an RX-7.
But this shit's nice. So what's the consensus of this meet? So we came with the intention that it was gonna be
attention under the title saying mega meet, that it was
this was
mega meet.
it could have been mega at one point.
It could have, but that's not like it was.
Right. So now we gotta create our own stuff. John Yang! Woo! John Yang! We're gonna leave the meet. We're gonna meet up with Abraham. We're gonna do the Shelby GT500 versus S551 hand. He's gonna meet us there. We gotta fill up. So since the meet was kind of like not as planned, we decided to do our own thing. I think we need to do the Shelby GT350 versus the Cobra passenger. But we got the Terminator, S551 hands 5.0, Shelby GT350, and then it's just 2-valve. Got a little Supra.
We're giving the block this.
Built. Yeah, I heard it. That shit was loud. So what are we doing, Danny?
I'm gonna get some cheesy dog bites.
Cheesy dog bites? Wow, that's racist. Let's run it. On foot, on foot. It's clean?
It's all dirty.
Yeah.
It's clean, but it's dirty.
Yeah. It's a clean car, but it's dirty. Oh, my man's gonna honk at him right now.
Things in the wild.
Yeah. Spotted in the wild. The FR500s too?
Oh, wait, this is the guy that was in the X-Pac off the river?
Oh, he's
Oh, shit. Clean.
Fox body.
Hey, shout out him if you're watching the video.
Yeah. Check it out. Follow Bill.
Look at that.
Oh, for real.
So pretty much, we just finished up eating. We're about to head to Mexico. What do you guys think? Let's go to Mexico.
I can't come back.
We're going to Mexico or what?
Calling out anybody. What's up? C6 right there. The red one.
Damn.
I have a history with it.
Okay.
Yeah, on the freeway. Let's do it.
Oh shoot.
I know Monica.
Mr. One Hand, how's it going? Update?
It's now 6 hours in.
Okay.
I'm still kind of hungry.
What?
Alex decided to give our pizza away to some guys.
That's how it's dead.
That did not happen, but Alex is.
We got Lucio, we got Abraham, we got Joel.
I'll try this at home.
Yeah, 4 jumper cables.
6,000
We got
jumper
a
cables.
European car with the battery in the back. Now stop.
Now stop. God damn. Yeah. No, because that's what I was saying. Did he make a U-turn? Because I saw one on the side of the road. So what's to me? So that's our next goal. So we're gonna see
Take pictures of who?
Chris SVT.
Who's that?
This guy, he just has
Is that the guy that has the Shelby that never drives it?
I don't
think
know.
it's the guy that got beat by Honda Civic. Oh, that guy. Yeah, I've seen that guy on the internet. Yeah.
So Mr. Abraham SVT, what shoe are we looking for?
Not sure yet.
Yeah? Aren't those the ones you just got?
Oh yeah, I did.
Who am I?
This. Oh, it's mine.
What's up? And Danny, what are we doing?
What is it? Racing
I like him.
I like him on my car. Yeah. I'll give you my 6 yards.
Crazy.
Alright guys, so we're gonna end the video here. We're back at Alex's house. Got the Mustang parked over there in the street. Got the 5.0 over there too as well. Got the Cobra. Got Lucio checking out the fuel system they're gonna be installing on the Cobra pretty soon. I'm kind of tired, but we'll catch you guys in a bit, see what happens.
Alright guys, so with that, we had a pretty eventful day with Mr. One Hand right here. It's always a good time. Somebody's trying to steal something over there. But, like I said, we're gonna end the video right there. Danny's probably gonna go to this meet. We're not gonna go, it's a little bit out of our distance. But with that, if you guys enjoyed watching this video, please go subscribe to Mr. One Hand right here. Let's get him to 2,000 subs, that'd be sick.
Almost there,
yeah,
200 more.
And yeah, we gotta get him to 200 subs. But yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. Check out the channel. Check out Mr. One Hand. And with that, we'll catch you guys next time. Peace.